CompTIA A Core 2 Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 2.2. Given a scenario, configure and apply basic Microsoft Windows OS security settings. Defender Firewall Management. In this video segment, we will cover Defender Firewall. This is another built-in Windows security feature designed to help protect a system from unauthorized network access. While antivirus software focuses on detecting and stopping malicious files or software, the firewall focuses on monitoring and controlling network traffic. It acts like a security checkpoint for your computer, deciding which network connections are allowed in or out based on configured rules and security settings. We have already discussed firewalls earlier in the course, but now the focus shifts to managing Microsoft Defender Firewall directly within Windows 11. This includes activating and deactivating the firewall, understanding basic port security concepts, and controlling which applications are allowed to communicate through the network. By default, Microsoft Defender Firewall is enabled in Windows 11, and in most situations it should remain enabled to help protect the system. However, there may be times when it needs to be temporarily disabled, such as when troubleshooting connectivity problems or testing network configurations. To manage the firewall in Windows 11, begin by opening Settings and selecting Privacy and Security. From there, choose Windows Security, followed by Firewall and Network Protection. Inside this area, you will see separate firewall settings for different network profiles, including domain, private, and public networks. Selecting one of these profiles allows you to enable or disable the firewall using an on-off toggle. Each profile is designed for different network environments. For example, a public network profile is typically more restrictive because it is intended for less trusted environments such as public Wi-Fi. Just remember, disabling the firewall reduces protection against unauthorized access and should only be done temporarily when necessary. Once the firewall is enabled, one of its key jobs is controlling access through ports. Ports are communication channels used by devices and applications to send and receive network traffic. Different services use specific port numbers. For example, DNS commonly uses port 53, HTTP uses port 80, HTTPS uses port 443, and Remote Desktop Protocol, or RDP, uses port 3389. Port security helps reduce risk by allowing only the network traffic that is actually needed. The fewer open ports a system has, the fewer potential entry points exist for attackers. For example, imagine a technician needs to remotely troubleshoot a web server using Remote Desktop. Even if the server is online and reachable, the connection will fail if port 3389 is blocked by the firewall. In that situation, a firewall rule would need to be created or adjusted to temporarily allow inbound RDP traffic through port 3389. Once the troubleshooting session is complete, closing the port again helps reduce unnecessary exposure. Another important firewall function is application security. Some applications require network access in order to function properly, but unrestricted access can create security risks. Microsoft Defender Firewall allows administrators and users to control which applications are permitted to communicate across the network. To manage this in Windows 11, return to the Firewall and Network Protection section and select Allow an app through Firewall. This area displays a list of installed applications and features that can communicate through the firewall. From here, applications can be allowed or blocked, and separate permissions can be configured for private and public networks. This helps ensure that only trusted applications are allowed to send or receive network traffic, reducing the risk of unauthorized communication or malware activity. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.